Cruising is one of the best ways to relax and explore the world. But your stateroom isn't just any hotel room, it's part of a ship with unique rules. Some simple mistakes can lead to damage, fines, or even being asked to leave. Others might just make your vacation a little more stressful than it needs to be. I've been on quite a few cruises, and I've seen these things happen firsthand. So let's walk through 20 things you should never do in your cruise cabin. Smoking inside cabins is strictly prohibited on almost every cruise line. It's a serious fire hazard. And trust me, smoke detectors are very sensitive. Even e-cigarettes and vapes are treated the same. If you're caught, you may face fines or removal from the ship. Designated outdoor smoking areas are always available. It's safer and avoids a whole lot of trouble. It might seem like fresh air makes it okay, but it's still not allowed. Most cruise lines ban smoking on balconies for safety reasons. A stray ash in the wind could land somewhere dangerous. Yes, some European lines allow it, but North American ones usually don't. Check your cruise line's policy before lighting up. It's just not worth the risk. Candles may feel cozy at home, but they're a no-go on cruise ships. Open flames are one of the biggest risks at sea. Even bringing them in your suitcase can lead to confiscation. If you like a pleasant scent, consider a battery-powered diffuser. It's safer and keeps everyone on board protected. Let's leave the ambiance to the ocean view. It's an easy mistake. You see water or soda in the fridge and assume it's free. But even with a drink package, minibar items are usually charged separately. I've seen families surprised by daily charges they didn't expect. Ask your cabin steward to remove items if you don't want the temptation, or double-check with guest services before helping yourself. Better to be sure than shocked at checkout. The plush robes, towels, or umbrellas in your room are there for use, not souvenirs. Unless the cruise line gives them to you as a gift, they'll be added to your bill. Binoculars on Alaskan cruises? Also borrowed, not yours to keep. If something is complimentary, they'll usually let you know. A tote bag or slippers may be fine to take, just ask. When in doubt, leave it behind. Your cabin steward works hard, often cleaning your room twice a day. Removing automatic tips cuts directly into their income. If there's a problem, speak with guest services before adjusting them. But for most guests, leaving gratuities in place is the right thing to do. A small extra cash tip at the end is always appreciated. Kindness goes a long way on the sea. Irons, steamers, and anything that heats up fast are fire risks. They're not allowed on board and may be taken during luggage screening. Wrinkle release spray or Packing Smart can help instead. Some ships have pressing services or laundry rooms for passengers. Extension cords are also often restricted. Check with your cruise line. Safety rules at sea are strict for a reason. It might seem harmless to hang a bathing suit or shirt from a sprinkler, but I've met folks who did that and accidentally triggered the system. Water flooded their entire room and neighboring cabins. There's usually a retractable clothesline in the bathroom. Or pack a few magnetic hooks for drying items. Let's avoid indoor rainstorms. If you open your cabin door and balcony door at the same time, a wind tunnel effect can cause things to fly, or doors to slam shut. One guest even injured their hand that way. Always close one door before opening the other. Your fingers will thank you. Balcony railings are meant for safety, not seating. Even leaning too far over them can be dangerous. Cruise ships rarely have accidental falls, most are preventable. If you have kids or grandkids with you, keep balcony doors locked. There's also a child safety latch near the top. Enjoy the view, just from a safe distance. Walls in cruise cabins aren't soundproof. Your neighbors can hear loud music, shouting, or TVs. Respectful noise levels help everyone relax and enjoy their vacation, especially in the early morning or late at night. Cruising is all about peace and quiet. Let's help each other keep it that way. At bedtime, remember to turn off your balcony light. That light shines right into your neighbor's cabin. It can be bothersome, especially when the ship is docked. Small details like this go a long way in being a good cruise neighbor. Close the curtain and switch off the light. Everyone gets a better night's sleep. Cabin doors are heavier than they look. Letting them close on their own creates a loud bang. Be mindful when entering or exiting, especially early or late. Hold the handle and guide the door shut. It's a small gesture with a big impact. Your neighbors will appreciate it. Cabin stewards are efficient and may come in with just a quick knock. If you're napping, showering, or getting ready, hang the sign. It's the best way to protect your privacy. You can also use the makeup room sign when needed. It helps them plan their rounds too. Clear signs equals smooth sailing. Cruise ship plumbing is delicate. Even flushable wipes can cause clogs or damage the system. Stick to the provided toilet paper only. Need to dispose of other items? Use the trash bin. A blocked toilet isn't fun for anyone, especially at sea. Even if your child is just napping, always stay nearby. There was a case where staff removed a sleeping child, thinking they were left alone in the cabin. It caused panic for the parents, but it was preventable. Use onboard childcare if you need a break. Your peace of mind matters most. You packed everything, except your passport or wallet. Once you leave the ship, you often can't reboard. So check the safe, twice, before leaving your room. It's 5 seconds that can save you major stress. Start your travel day off right. It sounds silly, but it's happened. Cruisers tying fishing line to their balcony and dropping bait. It's dangerous, against cruise policies, and not the place for it. Cruise ships are not fishing boats. Please don't treat them like one. Let's keep the ocean safe and clean. Balconies are often visible from nearby ships or decks. There may also be cameras in public-facing areas. So if you're walking around unclothed with the curtains open, let's just say, people might see more than you intended. Draw the blinds when dressing. Privacy is still in your control. Hanging clothing outside can block views or blow into the ocean. It's also considered a fire hazard by many cruise lines. Stick to the bathroom line or hooks inside the room. Wet swimsuits? Let them drip inside, not overboard. Let's keep the sea free of flying towels, and your belongings where they belong. Cruising is all about enjoying life without the usual stress. But small things in your cabin can make a big difference in your experience. Avoiding these 20 simple mistakes helps keep your trip smooth and relaxing. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you've ever seen someone break one of these rules, tell me below. I'd love to hear your cruise stories.